Morning, it's Paul from HouseForce. We're at Calas Blancas, Torrevieja. We're going to completely reform the internal part of this terrace area, which is very old now. The house itself is about 30 odd years old. There's not a lot been done to it. Tiles have been put on tiles and they're falling off and breaking. The first thing we need to do is change the pipe works, because it is possible that it could break. It's 30 odd years old. We've already replaced quite a few here on Calas Blancas due to the fact it's so old, and they used original garden pipe work instead of high pressure pipes. So we've got a lot of things going on here. It's going to be our home for the next couple of weeks or so. Follow us, like the page, see what we do over the next couple of weeks, and I'll be posting videos up probably daily, and look forward to any comments. In the meantime, have a great time, enjoy yourself, whatever you're doing, and all you guys that are having your birthdays today, which I've already sent you a little message, enjoy, take care.